life is filled with everything but you. Lord, I really want to see your glory. Let the fire of heaven fall on me. Can you feel my passion? Can you see my hunger? Do you know how I long for you? No walls between us, take away this darkness. Come break this heart of stone. Hear my cry. Open up the sky. Yes, Lord. Everywhere I go, there is a fear that soon we're gonna see our kingdom come. Tell me, can you hear the sound of desperation? A prayer on the lips of every nation.